Hi everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to run test in non-GUI mode in JMeter. Non-GUI mode is a faster and more efficient way to execute your test, especially when working with large test planes. In this tutorial, I will explain step by step how you can run the test in non-GUI mode in JMeter. So let's begin. If we have GUI mode, so why we need to run the test in non-GUI mode? So let's understand why execute non-GUI mode. Why we need to execute the test in non-GUI mode. GUI consumes more resources and memory. GUI mode takes more resources and memory. GUI not recommended for heavy load testing. And the third reason for using non-GUI mode, command line can be integrated integrated with other systems. For example, Jenkins or command line. Now, I will show you step by step how you can run the test in non-GUI mode. Open JMeter. Let's create a test plan here. First, we need to add the thread group. Right click on test plan, add thread, and then click on thread group. In the thread group, enter the number of users, ramp up periods, and loop count. Now, add the HTTP request. Right click on thread group, add sampler, and then click on HTTP request. In the HTTP request, enter the protocol server name and the path. First, enter the protocol here HTTPS and server name here livecharger.eu. Copy this and paste here in server name. Now, enter the path. Suppose we want to perform the load testing of contact page. So we can enter the path slash contact and slash. Enter here. Now we have created the test in which we enter the third group and the HTTP request in which we mention the server name and IP and the contact. Let's add tree here for view the response and request. Right click on thread group, add listener, and then click on view result tree. In the view result tree, we can check the request and response. Let's run these tests and check whether it's working properly. Click on run test. It will ask for saving your test plan before running it. Click on yes and then enter the file name here, command line, and enter command line load test. This is the file name and then click on save. Check whether it's working properly. Yes, request has been sent successfully to the server and resending the request. This is the complete URL and the contact slash is the path. In the response data, we are getting some response from the server. Now, I will show you how you can run this test in non-GUI mode. Remove this view result tree, click on remove and then save this test. Let's first understand how we can run the test in non-GUI mode. Open Notepad++, running test in non-GUI mode. First, we need to go to the complete path into the bin folder. Enter the command in cmd JMeter -n -t and the test file path -l and result path in which the result will be saved. Result path -n means running test in non-GUI mode. -t means part of the test file which is .jnx file, and -l means save the results. Let's now check in the practically. First, open the command prompt cmd, and then here we can open the command from this location bin folder. Open cmd. Now enter JMeter -n -t. Now enter the path of the .jnx file. Command line load test. Click on properties. Copy complete path. This is the location in which the file is saved, and paste here. Let me copy again this path. Right click, copy, and paste path here. After enter the path, we need to enter the file name, and file name here. Right click on this file, rename, and copy this complete file name and paste here. Now we need to enter the location in which the result will be saved. Make sure no spaces are present in your file name. I have created one file, CSV file results, in which the result will be saved. So right click on this, click on properties, and copy this complete path. Open command prompt and paste here. Let me copy again this complete path. Right click, copy, and paste here. Now enter the file name, which is load.csv. Results. We need to enter the file name, which is results.csv. Results.csv. Let's run this. Now running the test in non-GUI mode, and shut down and stop test. Now end of run. Let's check the results in this file. Open this results file. In this results file, we can view the results. We can view the path and the URL here, which we are sending to the server. By using this command JMeter -h, which is used for help, you can view to run the Apache JMeter in non-GUI mode. You need to enter JMeter. If you are using Mac, then you need to enter jmeter.sh and then minus t, and then enter the test file path after this -l, and the result path you need to enter. To run Apache in your non-GUI mode and generate a report, you can generate a report by using this command. To generate a report from existing CSV file, you can use this command for generating the report in CSV. That's all for today tutorial on running test in non-GUI mode. I hope you found it easy to understand and helpful. If you have any question or want me to cover more topics, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQ World for more simple and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.